Alright guys, here is our video tutorial explaining how to merge your Outlook email account with your Google email account. This tutorial is gonna be a little bit tricky. I recommend as you watch it that you pause it after each step. I'm going to try really hard to put pauses in as I explain it, but sometimes I get going kind of fast, so you might need to pause it. I also have screenshots of each of the steps so that you can see exactly what mine looks like. If after you followed the tutorial it doesn't work, please do not sit and fiddle with it. Let me know and I will come and help you, because I struggled getting mine set up, and I understand that even just a slight mistake in how you set this up is gonna create a problem. So please do not worry if it's not working. I will come and I will help you get it fixed, okay? To start, you're gonna need to open up your Google account. When you get into your Google account, you are going to go up to the matrix and you're going to go into your email. That email will be found right here when you hit the matrix. Go ahead and open up your email. Okay, once you're in your email, you will see a little gear right here. When you click on it, you'll see lots of options. Today we're going to go inside of settings. This is what it's going to look like when you're inside of settings. We don't need to do anything to this screen. You're really looking to click on this forwarding and pop IMAP tab at the top of the settings page. This is what you're going to see when you open up that forwarding tab. The area that we are looking at is right here. You're going to want to hit the dot that says Enable IMAP. After you're done with this, go ahead and scroll down, and there's going to be a button that says Save Settings. You'll want to click on that Save Settings. Alright, you finished the stuff we need to take care of inside of Google. So now you can minimize your Google web browser, and you are going to open up Outlook on your computer. When you get into Outlook, in the very tip-top corner you'll see File. Select File, and then we're going to come to this button that says Add Account. Alright, when you click Add Account, this is going to pop up on your screen, and we are all going to select the Manually button right here and then go Next. The next screen will look like this. We are going to choose the Internet email and then select Next. Alright, and here is where it's going to start getting a little bit tricky. On this screen, you're going to start by naming it. Now, I chose to name mine Google just to make it certain that this was my Google account rather than my .com account. I went ahead and entered my email address, and I made certain that I was doing .us rather than .com. For account type, you're going to have to hit the down arrow and change it to IMAP. Here in Incoming Mail Server, I'd like you to type the following: imap.gmail.com, and for outgoing, you're going to type smtp.gmail.com. Then you're going to get down here to logon information. Your username, I put Jay Asbury on this picture, but to play it safe, will you go ahead and do @piperschools.us. And then when I went to set up my, to link the two, this is where I had the most problems. For password, I was entering my Piper sign into a computer password. I wasn't entering my Google password. It was such a stupid mistake, but I just wanted to make sure that I said that to you guys as well. because you have to make sure that for this password you're entering your Google password. Then the next part is to add some more settings. So you're actually going to come over here to more settings. Alright, here's what more settings looks like. And you're going to have to make yours match mine. We are going to start by going to outgoing server, and you need to verify and check that first box. Alright, next, after you've done the outgoing, you're going to come over here to advanced. For your incoming server, you're going to go ahead and type the number 993. Then you're going to come over to the down arrow and select SSL. Then, on your outgoing server, you're going to type the number 465, and again, you're going to select SSL. When you finished these steps, you may press the OK button. And now we get to test it to make sure it works. You don't have to hit this button. It's going to do it automatically once you hit next. If it says that for some reason it failed, again, I want to reiterate, this was a lot of steps. Please do not fiddle and try things over and over again. I know your time is way too valuable for that. If you're struggling with this, please shoot me a quick email and I can come and I can check and I can help. So don't spend too much time on this. Just let me know if you're struggling. All right, now you will notice if you scroll down, you'll see your Google account right here. It will be added to your Outlook. I do recommend doing one more step. That way you can make sure that you're seeing both of your inbox. If you notice right now, my inbox for my piperschools.com is right here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on and hold my inbox underneath the piperschools.us account, and I'm going to drag it up right underneath the initial inbox so that both of my inbox are directly underneath each other. I'll show you what that looks like. This is how my inbox looks now. So if you'll notice, I have an inbox with 2 right now at my piperschools.com, and by dragging up my inbox from down below here, I now can see I also have 2 emails from my US account as well. This should make it easier for us to manage the 2 Google email accounts, and so that you can see when someone's shared something with you. Again, if you have any problems, let me know. I'd love to help.